talking about common bra mistakes. Mistakes that you might not even know are mistakes and how to rectify them. When you get a brand new bra, where do you fasten that hook and eye? If you're fastening it on the tightest hook, you're causing yourself problems. And the reason being is that 85% of your support comes from that band. As that band stretches, you have nowhere else to go. So that bra is redundant. Did you know that you should not wear the same bra 2 days in a row? I hear you say why. Well, the reason is that bras, like humans, they need to rest. So if you wear one bra, you should let it rest for 24 hours so those delicate elastics can actually go back into place and give you more support. When it comes to washing your bra, how many of you, put your hands up in the corner, are those people that actually put their bras in the washing machine? Yeah, so if you're gonna wash your bra, you should not be putting it in the washing machine. If you do put it in the washing machine, put it in a lingerie wash bag. It should ideally be hand washed. This is to protect that delicate bra. Think of the agitation of a washing machine. Even with the hand wash cycle, it can cause all kinds of damage to the bra. It can also cause creases to your molded bras. Following on from this, using your regular detergent when washing your bras. Even woolite will cause damage to those delicate elastics. You want to use special hand wash detergent because it will save your bras and make them last a little longer, and that will help us save money. How many times have you seen somebody or yourself wear a bra and the band is riding up in the back? Now, most of you, comment below if this is you, think that the reason that the band is riding up in the back is because it's actually too small. Well, it's not, it's actually too big. And this can cause not only problems with your back, it can cause shoulder problems because if the band is too big, it's offering no support. And all of your support, 85%, is from that band. This leads me on to your straps. Now, again, I want you to comment below, how many of you do this? I want lift. So automatically, immediately, what do? You tighten those straps thinking that that's what's going to create the lift. Well, what actually happens with that is that you put all the weight of your breasts onto your shoulders, which not only causes indents, it can cause shoulder problems and back problems. If you're actually wanting to get more lift, you need to look at the bras that you're wearing and choose a different style of bra. Not wearing a sports bra whilst exercising, thinking that your normal bra will be sufficient. Well, this is not the case. Not only are sports bras designed to have moisture wicking properties, they're also there to reduce bounce by up to 70%, which in effect can actually protect the delicate breast tissue and help your breasts to reduce sagging. So if you are exercising without a sports bra or you can't find a sports bra, comment below because I can give you some great recommendations. So you found the perfect bra and you think this is great and you try and wear that bra with every single outfit that you own and you realise it just doesn't work. Bras are a lot like clothes. We have different bras for different things. Say you want to wear a low-cut top, a full coverage bra is just not going to work for that. Say you want to wear a backless dress, a bra with a back is not going to work for that. So you need to determine what outfits you've got in your wardrobe and what bras you have, and then marry the two together. My favourite one, putting your bra on correctly. How many of you fasten the bra at the front and then twist it round? Well, do you know why you shouldn't be doing this? It's because you're putting pressure on those underwires. As you twist, and as we get used to twisting, we're not very gentle with doing it. We become a little quick, a little haphazard, and what happens is we actually put pressure on those wires and we can cause the wires to ping out and snap. Bras, as with everything, they do not last forever. You might have had your favourite bra for 5 years, 10 years. I am going to hazard a guess, if you're wearing that bra every day and you've had it for that long, it's doing nothing for you. It's pointless at this stage and they don't last forever. Think of them like shoes. Your shoes wear out and so do bras. The only difference is it's not quite as visible when a bra is wearing out as it is when your shoes are wearing out. Bra fitting. You should be going to get bra fitted every 6 to 12 months, whether you do it at home, you go into a boutique and do it. You need to be doing it because your size can change, especially as our weight fluctuates, hormonal changes, all these things can lead to your bra size going up, going down and changing. And if you're not aware of your bra size changing, then when you put your bras on, you'll notice that maybe they don't fit as well or they're not quite as comfortable.